Alright guys, we're back and today we are going to be making sliders. Let's get right into this, guys. This is going to be something simple for you and your family members at home to cook. Just got to peel this onion. And over here on this plate I have turkey meat and ground beef. What you want to do is mesh those two together and add whatever condiments you're going to add to it for a great tasting flavor. Alright guys, so we're going to move the onion over right this way. We're going to mesh our meat together, but we're going to add some garlic. A little bit of garlic for the flavor. Oh gosh, that onion really got to me. We're going to add some pink Himalayan salt. There we go. And we're going to add some pepper. There we go. And we're going to put some onion into it and mesh it all up. Let's get dirty, guys. There we go. You want to make sure it meshes all together. Grabs the onion. The onion's going to help keep it in place. You got all your spices in there. We're going to make 2 to 3 sliders. Beautiful. Okay. Now I'm gonna wash my hands and prepare to come and view how the burgers are cooked. Okay. You guys want to follow me this way? We got our pan set to a medium high. We're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. There we go, just a little, just so the burgers can cook. And my favorite, to give it a little bit of zing, red wine vinegar. There we go, not too much, but a good cup, small cup. Alright guys, stay tuned, and we'll see what we have for you in a couple minutes. See you then. Welcome back, guys. This is what we have for you. I just wanted to say to check your sliders and make sure they're cooked. You press down on it. Yeah, you see any red juices or if it comes out heavy, that means it's not done. But since this one's not letting out any red juices or anything, that means they're done. Now I'm going to let my onions cook because those are going on the slider. I'll give this a flip. And you follow me, we're going to put some cheese right on top of them. Right on top of each one and let it melt. So stay tuned, you guys, and wait for our finished product, and see you soon.
Welcome back, guys. This is our finished product. We got our burger, our cheese, our tomato, and our cooked onions freshly from the pan with a dash of garlic. Look how delicious it is. This is mouth-watering. So with that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that like button. Please subscribe, and for more great content, guys. See you there. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Wow.